Well, hello there everyone. I'm Christy and welcome to my kitchen. As you can see, I have 3 ingredients here on my counter and I'm gonna take these ingredients and I'm gonna make brownies. Now these are a healthier brownie, but let's face it, we can all use some healthier recipes in our lives. I know I can. These are super easy and they're delicious. You will love them. So let me show you just how to make them because it's that time to get cooking. So I'm going to take 3 bananas and add them to a bowl. Then mash them up. Then add a half of a cup of peanut butter. Now I'm using some crunchy and creamy, just emptying out my jars. And I also put it in the microwave for about a minute just to soften it. It makes it easier to pour. All right, and then 1/4 of a cup of cocoa powder. Just give this a stir. All right, so after you get it really good and mixed, then you're gonna pour it into a baking dish. Now I've got 2 different sizes here. They're both small, but I think I'm gonna go with this smallest one just because I want nice, thick brownies. All right, and I have lined my baking dish with some parchment paper. Just makes it so much easier to get the brownies out. All right, then bake it in a 350-degree oven for about 25 to 30 minutes. Okay, so this is actually a new recipe for me, these 3 ingredient brownies. So what I thought I would do is experiment a little bit and add a few more ingredients like baking powder and protein powder, which would increase the protein, walnuts, and chocolate chips. And yes, I do have a little helper. All right, so I have the same 3 ingredients mixed here, and I'm going to add the baking powder, which is 1/4 of a teaspoon, and 2 tablespoons of protein powder, and it's vanilla protein powder, 2 tablespoons of chopped walnuts, and 2 tablespoons of mini chocolate chips. Okay, so I have both batches of brownies here. I've got the basic, just bananas, peanut butter, and cocoa. And then I have the brownies with the added ingredients. So I want to show you both of them, what they look like so that you can compare. All right, so now is the moment of truth. I am going to cut each of these in half because I want to sample both of them just to see if I can tell a difference in them. So this is just the regular banana, peanut butter, and cocoa, and this is the one with the extra ingredients. So I'm gonna try this one first. Wow. That is really good. I mean, it just tastes like a brownie. And this is the one with a little extra. The one with just the peanut butter, banana, and cocoa is a little denser, and the other one is a little bit lighter. So I think the baking powder did lighten it up a bit. It's very good. Somebody else wants to try too. Well, thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you have a wonderful day. God bless, and I will see you soon with more delicious recipes.